Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And for those of you who already been here, thanks for the loyal following. Remember, I can't do what I do without you. So let's build this empire together. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox something I am sort of looking forward to. For once. Unbox my February Sephora Play. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have to offer. Now, in a future video, I will talk about why I've been unhappy with the Sephora Play subscription in the past. And mentally, I kind of told myself, you know what, February has got to be the month they redeem themselves. It's Valentine's Day. Let's see if they really bring it. And if they don't, then unfortunately, I will be canceling my subscription for a few short months, more than likely, just in hopes that they get their together, and then we'll come back and see what they have to offer later on. Maybe they get a new business model, maybe they reimagine some things, and we'll come back and try again. So upon opening, remember I have my shipping label on this side and I just ripped off the other, thank goodness. All right, so opening it up, we have, of course, their little inspirational quote here. It says, show off and share using hashtag #SephoraPlay. Play by Sephora. Well, here we go. So again, we have the little insert with the makeup tutorial and a few additional points. Should be somewhere on there. I think it's on the inside. Oh, this one's actually a big poster. I don't like to look at this because it does talk about the products that you receive as well as any tutorials, and I feel like that kind of spoils the surprise. So we're gonna toss that aside and see what we have in store. Again, we have here the crappiest. Why do they do this? Why plastic? Do you hear that? Why? This is the sound of frustration. I can't stand that they use plastic bags. They used to offer cloth makeup bags, much like an Ipsy or something like that. But now they updated it to this plastic bag. Never have even made this at all. This should not have been a thing ever that was within their boxes, especially from a brand that wants to support clean beauty. Anyway, I digress. Scissors coming out for this one. And look, I have no eyebrows and no lashes on because I don't know, I just kind of felt like a weird Valentine, Marilyn Manson kind of vibe today. Brought it. All right. Let's breathe it out. And let's go into it with an open mind. Let's see if they really did bring it this time. And hopefully this February box is better than what we've had in the past. Okay, so taking a look here, I believe I've seen this design on the bag before. Pictures of Play, time clocks, eyes, so there are various makeup products on the bag. On the back it says, open here to start your next beauty adventure. Hashtag Sephora Play. Well, we'll see. Now, for those of you who don't know, I actually don't like to look at any sort of previews. I don't like to look at the sneak peeks or whatever it is. I try not to follow it too much on social media. I don't want to see what I'm getting beforehand because I feel like it ruins the surprise and could often lead to disappointment if you don't receive a particular product. So this is all new to me. First of all, we have this one. I do like this little box. It's green. It's got a nice little intricate design on there. See if you guys can see that. It's got like that nice little work there. It's very pretty. This has some weight to it, definitely. And let's see, it is the brand Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream with a vitamin fruit complex. Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream with a vitamin fruit complex is a revitalizing universal moisturizer that awakens skin for an incredible, vibrant, healthy looking glow. The lightweight formula with an effervescent citrus scent that helps soften, smooth, and minimize signs of tired skin. So skin feels invigorated and recharged. I actually really like this little packaging. I like their description. But let's go ahead and open her up and see what it looks like. it's a cute little green jar. It definitely follows the same suit as the box. So it's a nice little branding technique. I definitely like it. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and smell her. A big thing for me. It does have the little container. Let's open that up. Oh, I just got some on my nose. Ooh. Very light scent, so it wouldn't be bothersome to people who are sensitive to fragrances. Now I have yet to apply it all over the face or neck, so maybe once you apply it to a larger area, maybe that smell would be overwhelming. Again, I'm not sure. They did very well with this one. Okay, so first up, I am pleasantly surprised so far. That very good, Sephora. Good for you, good for you. You stepped it up. All right, so next up we have, so this here rattles quite a bit. It is a Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. Yeah, okay. That's all it says. It is number 09, Intense Ebony. I'm gonna guess it's an eyeliner that literally says nothing else but literally Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. There you have it. Okay, well, let's open it up and see what it is. So here we go. Whoop. Is it gonna come out? Okay, yeah, so it's just an eyeliner. Plain, simple eyeliner. I'm gonna guess the Intense Ebony is their equivalent of black. But there you have it. Mention anything, whether it's waterproof, where probably missed a lot of opportunities there to really promote themselves. Maybe they were relying on their brand name. I know Clinique is big, but that doesn't mean everyone's gonna know this product like their back of their hand. For once, Sephora gave us something that was a full-size product. All right, up next we have, okay, so apparently this was like the Clinique box. Clinique item, Moisture Surge, a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator, a gel cream. Addictively refreshing gel cream hydrator, works non-stop for 72 hours oil-free. Why makes it addicting? What did you add to this? What's going on here? But okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. And again, you guys can see that. Clinique. Let's open it up. This one doesn't want to open. One that actually kept the color throughout the packaging, whether it was the outside container box or the product container itself. This one was quite different. This one shows here a green box, and the actual product was in sort of a peachy container here. Actually be a really good foundation for me, like geez. But okay, so there it is. It's tiny. That's more of the trial size that I've come to expect. I am surprised that Sephora kept the box this time. Maybe they're changing stuff up, like I said, who knows? All right, so up next we have number 4, which is, oops, grabbed a few things there. Another Bite lipstick. I like their packaging. I like that it has it's like a soft, almost rubbery kind of feel in the matte black. And then the brand logo is actually in the glossy right now. When we open it up, this is color Maple. So it sounds like it's another nude. Oh no, I'm wrong. That is actually a really pretty red. Really happy, especially for the February Valentine's box. In the past, a lot of the makeup samples I've been getting from Sephora were all nudes, and I felt like it was the same shade of brown, basically. But let's go ahead and swatch this one right here. Again, that's a pretty intense pigment. It's very nice. I'd say it's more of like a darker brick red, definitely darker than the one I'm wearing now. The one I'm wearing now is much more vibrant of a red. So that's nice. Again, on the packaging though, it doesn't really say whether it's long wear or not, so again, that's something you would have to look up. I do have a few samples of Bite before. I feel like that's pretty common in the Sephora Play boxes because I have received a few of them. So up next, we have, this one is Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. 1 pair. Individual package gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. Usually you gotta pay extra for that. Bad jokes are good with this one. Oh yeah. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate. Oh my! Bad jokes. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to skin, and the third layer is a cellulose fiber that condenses delivery key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. So this sounds actually really good. It sounds really intense. I do like their advertisement. Whoever wrote this for you, you did a fantastic job. That's a good one. I would probably pick that up in a store without even trying the product. They tend to throw in a perfume sample as well. And this time we got Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Let's see here. There we go. Daisy. It's in a little paper with the little vial here in the middle. I love these vials. Oh my god, these are some of my favorites. I just like having these little things. Radiant and charming, Daisy is a sparkling floral bouquet capturing the vintage edge of the violet. So it sounds like it's supposed to be violet scented. Of the violet. I mean, I've seen violet flowers. I've had them in my garden before. Can't really say that I know their scent though. When you think about it, what does a violet smell like? So I feel like this would be a very light fragrance, but I mean, I know daisies and what they smell like, so I would say it's a light springtimey kind of thing. Probably not something I'm gonna wear. Back to the insert. Now it looks like here, this is actually a, oh, there's my 50 play points. Let's go ahead and rip that off. All right, so actually this one is much larger than others I have seen in the past. This one's more like a mini little poster size. I do like the colors and it reminds me of very like retro posters you would see for like music festivals, things of that nature. Of this box is Mix Your Love Potion, Love Struck Beauty. All right, so let's talk about the products that we received here. All right, Lip of Your Life by Bite Beauty. A high impact lipstick in a rich brick red color with a soft creamy texture. Why, it'll give you all the feels. This handcrafted lipstick is a total package. It is infused with nutrients, vitamins, and omega oils that nurture skin while delivering saturated color and weightless coverage. You know what? It is actually pretty weightless on my hand. It doesn't feel like I have makeup there that's just kind of caked on. So I feel like that's a pretty accurate description. Eyeliner. Lined Up for Success, Clinique, quick liner for eyes in Intense Ebony. A richly pigmented eyeliner pencil in a deep black shade. Why, it'll give you all the feels. With this creamy formula, intense eye contact is a given. It glides on easy without any tugging or pulling. It gives you 60 seconds of playtime before setting for water-resistant, long-lasting wear. There's the water-resistant I was looking for. Now we have Cue the Waterworks, which is actually going to be the other Clinique product. A refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin stay hydrated. Why, it'll give you all the feels. This innovative formula not only boosts skin's moisture when applied, but also helps it stay hydrated for up to 72 hours after. It's healthy, plump, and dewy. Instead of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. Why, it'll give you all the feels. This multitasking eye mask does more than just look super luxurious. The serum hydrates skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the delicate under eye area. To be radiant, which is a little green package that I really liked. Of course, green is also my favorite color. Don't let this ensemble fool you. A lightweight moisturizer that reduces dullness and uneven texture. Lord knows I have that. Why, it'll give me all the feels. Give your skin a dose of nutrients with this lightweight formula that is infused with vitamins C, E, and B5. Skin looks awakened and radiant. And who doesn't love that? which is A Little Love Note. Simple and charming, this scent starts with the succulent wild berries and ends with lingering sandalwood. Not at all violet or daisy. Huh, an interesting advertisement. That was my February box, and I hope you guys like this video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give this lady some love. Let's spread the positivity. All right, guys, so don't forget, let that inner beauty shine, and you guys have yourselves a wonderful day, and you take care. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.